Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we are going to check out the new Huawei Watch GT2 smartwatch. This watch comes with Bluetooth support and it lets you pair with different kind of phones like Android and iOS, and you get water resistance as well. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Huawei Watch GT2. So this here is the box of the Huawei Watch GT2, and now let's look at the ingredients that's inside the box. And before that, we'll also take a look at what shows outside of the box as well. So right on the front, you see that this box has the design of the watch. This is the Huawei Watch GT2. This over here we have with us is the 46mm variant, and this comes in the form of brown leather strap. So the wristband variant is brown leather strap, and this is 46mm variant. Now let's open the box and see what all we have inside the box. So basically this is the box. It's square in shape because these are watches. So what you do get is inside is a charger and a couple of things like manuals and stuff. So that's basically what you get. This is the watch. This is the brown strap as we just mentioned. This is the 46mm variant of the GT2 watch. Now when we open this lid over here, we see other aspects that you get inside the box. As we mentioned, you get the charger over here, and then you have the user manual. So this is the user manual and the warranty card and safety guides. So basically now compared to phones, watch basically is something that connects with a smartphone. So what you get to understand is how to pair these watches with your smartphone. So that is there with the user manual over here. You have the warranty card as well. Now let's say if you have some issues with the watch and you can get them repaired within the warranty period, so you need these warranty cards. So make sure that you have this handy every time as well. Apart from that, you have this handy charger which comes inside the box as well. So let me just take this out. So yeah, this is the charger that you get with the GT2 watch, and this is USB Type-C port, as you can see, and this is white in color, neatly wrapped inside this box, and this is what you get with it. And apart from this, you also have the adapter over here, and this here is the adapter that you get. So basically what you do is you use this USB Type-C pin and you attach it over here, and then you plug it into a travel adapter to a power socket and you charge the watch. So these are basically the ingredients that you get inside the Huawei GT2 watch from Huawei. So just as we expected, the smartwatch, the ingredients inside the box, you don't get a lot of stuff, but you get the very crucial stuff. So what you get is this USB Type-C cable which plugs in with this magnetic adapter which fits into the watch like this. And then you have the manual, basically the user guide manual to get you started using how to pair with a phone and how to plug in and how to charge it and what kind of features you get, what kind of capabilities it has. So just to read you through that. And then you have the warranty card, which again is essential because let's say if you have any issues, so you can carry them along and get benefits for that. So these are the ingredients that you get with the GT2 watch from Huawei. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.